Red Wet Willy, Danny Jones, replaced my front track bar mount. It's made out of like 10 gauge. It's kind of like the Achilles heel of the JK, the Dana 35 of the JK. So I found a Barnes piece for like 26 bucks. So it's like $40 shipped to my house. So I'm gonna have him weld it on because that's what he does. So I don't want to take any chances with my steering. So he's gonna get the pleasure of welding my stuff on. All right, pulling into Danny Jones's place right here behind the Dollar General. Yeah, he does good work. Here's the new Barnes $26 part, or yeah, 26 bucks. Replacing this sheet metal thing that's already coming apart.
What was that?
So let's see what happens here. It's permanent now. All right, so here's the Achilles heel of the JK, the front track bar mount on the axle. I left this on, this is the original stabilizer, just to give it more strength. You can see some rust happening here. Super thin, it's 2 pieces, so it's held on. I think it's how they designed it to get the right spacing there. Use 2 pieces. On here, it has 2 spots that's welded. So the outside has 2 spots that's welded. The axle side has 1, 2, 3. And I'll try to do this one hand. Let's see here. This has paint or powder coat on it or something. Let's see here. So less than 1/8 of an inch. So the Barnes one is now a 1/4 inch. So pretty excited about getting rid of this liability. There's the difference right there. Little thin piece. So
you got a picture of the axle?
That's all that's holding it on. Just 3 spots. Lame. Surprised it lasted this long. Good. That should do the trick. All right, we're home. And I drove it. I probably should have videoed it, but I took it through a V-notch ditch to make sure it didn't hit in here. And it was fine. So, yeah. It's self-aligning, I think, because it welds onto the spring perch right here. And yeah, and I didn't even have to align it. It's dead straight on to where it was the factory. So I'm pretty Pretty happy with it for 26 bucks. And then having Danny do it. Red Wet Willy Fab. Great job. Good dude. You got to check him out. He's in Forest Hill. So, alright. So, that's taken care of. Don't have to worry about that Achilles heel of the JK right there.